Hi everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. I hope everyone's having a great summer. I'd like to invite you to my outdoor Mother's Tea. This is all in memorial for my mom who died a few years ago. I originally wanted a long table, but had to pivot and do a large square table to fit under the shelter. I started with a bright pink base. I wanted the table full of flowers and candles. Instead of placing my flowers in a straight line, I used an X shape, with a vase with a floating candle in the center and also between each arrangement. This really filled out the center of the table. From Amazon, I ordered some pretty pink floral napkins. And to finish my table, I used my mother's everyday teacups. They're all a little different, which stops the table from becoming too formal. Now let me show you how I made the flowers. So for this table arrangement, I needed 8 of these floral arrangements. I wanted them to look like flowers I just pulled from my garden, so I wanted all different colors and shapes and textures. So let me show you how we got started. I got some floral foam, and I just cut it right down the middle so that one piece of foam does 2 arrangements. Then I hot glued it onto the back of some foam board paper, and that way it just keeps it cleaner on the bottom. So I've started by putting my leaves around, and then I like to start with my bigger flowers. And we're going for a nice loose free-form arrangements. So we're just going to put these in. We're going to mix the colors together. Like I said, I like to start with the bigger flowers, and then I use my smaller ones to fill in the gaps. Always make sure you kind of stop and look at them to make sure that you're filling all your spaces in and that things look okay. Keep going. My mom always liked these kind of arrangements that had lots of different colors and different flowers because she liked them all. So for doing these arrangements, I kept that in mind. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, they've basically got the same flowers, but they're all put in a little different, so it keeps it a little bit more interesting.